Let's wind the clocks back 10 years ago to this day. I'm 5 years old and full of excitement to see the new Batman movie. I was excited to see Batman beat up criminals and whatnot, as any carefree 5-year-old probably would, and I definitely got it. But after many years and even many more viewings, I appreciated so much more about it now. After viewing The Dark Knight in recent years, I was able to understand the story and the world Christopher Nolan had established. I was intrigued by the underlying message about how even good and pure people, like Harvey Dent, for example, could fall. This psychological test was the motive of the movie's villain, the Joker. The Joker's actions are enticed by Batman's existence, which sets up political themes throughout the movie, making Gothamites question if the Batman should be turned in. But every day that he isn't, many will die, including Harvey's girlfriend, making him seek revenge for what Batman let Joker do to him and her, making everything come full circle to create the drama piece that this movie is. And it all started with the Joker. That, alongside the incredible writing and acting performance from Heath Ledger, made this character memorable to so many. It's a shame that Heath Ledger passed away before he can get the praise that everyone has given him. So to honor his memory and his character, I give you my custom Lego Joker. Excluding the 3D elements and his sculpted hair, Joker was a fairly simple minifigure. As you can see on the bottom of his legs, you can see he just has his pinstripes, which is sort of like a callback to my Arkham Asylum Joker, and that's led by some pretty brownish tannish boots. And up here, the inner cloth, up here we have his two undercoats. We have his gray and his green that are buttoned up, and you can see his tie right down there in the middle. And as you can see, the inner lining of his overall waistcoat, trench coat, is orange on the inside, and the outside is completely purple. And he's topped off with purple hands. I guess if that's interesting. And he has this submachine gun here, and this was used in the "Come on, hit me" scene. Sorry, that's my terrible impression. And leading up to the head, he just has sculpted hair, which was kind of interesting because I had to sculpt each individual strand, so that was pretty fun. And the face, I don't think the face is that good. I think it does its job. I tried to get a smile in there with teeth, and it ended up looking kind of gross, but yeah, it didn't really work out. And it comes with a knife. I know this isn't the right knife, but I didn't want to risk ruining it because this is my only knife. So yeah, that is Heath Ledger Joker. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm just gonna sign off right here. Please make sure to follow my Instagram and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video because this figure means a lot to me because it represents the character played by Heath Ledger, who meant a lot to me. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I'm finally back, and yeah, goodbye.